Okay, we're up here at the erosion spot. We're looking pretty good. There's one spot up there we're going to hit right on top of this work we already did. And this is all good in here. So we get to here, of course, and this is where you're talking about, I'm sure. Actually, I think we already discussed it, but so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to drive rebar in like we did. Drive rebar in and then put a couple laterals and, you know, wire it together and just fill that with concrete and slope it off just like we did. And then we'll put some rocks against it, kind of in it a little bit at the bottom. So push the water over this way. That way it'll run. Well, hopefully the water will run right here. And just, it'll be sloped so it kind of just bounces off of there if it does go there. But yeah, no problem. We can fix this. No sweat. This is a little worse than up there. Well, no, I guess not. That was pretty bad up there, huh, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had some spots up there like this. But this is obviously getting real bad. So yeah, we can handle this. I think we can get on this soon. We could probably do this tomorrow, start tomorrow. Because I don't think it's that wet. And then as long as we don't get a bunch of rain right afterwards, which I think we're okay. I think we got at least a week before we get any rain. And this is kind of hard enough to where it'll stay. But yeah, I think we'll be fine. And then also we were talking about this. We've been looking at this for a while, Jimmy and I. You can see how the water runs down here, and we want it to go along the road, but over here and go down. And what it's doing is this tree is pushing it over, and it goes on top of the road right there. This tree is not in very good shape. You can see it's rotted. It's going to fall eventually. That rot is in there. Yeah, it's hollow in there, so this tree's no good. I'd like to take this tree out. Just this little one here. It's only a couple branches. And that way we can move this little ditch over a little bit and get rid of this here. Anyway, and then it'll run down. We'll have a ditch about right here all the way down to the culvert, and then it'll go under the road. But as you can see, we're getting a little crack here. It's kind of puffed up. We had to fix this. As you can see, this is a patch we did. I had them do that when they did the road down there. A couple cracks. We did some patches in there. Anyway, so my question to you, is it okay if I take this tree out? If we take this tree out. So if you could let me know on that. Yeah. And then we'll get on this and get it done. We're just about done with the maintenance. Like I said, it took a little longer than I thought. But we did, we did both tractors, the pickup. Didn't do my dump truck because I rebuilt the top end on that not too long ago, and it's good to go. So, but the trailer, we maintained the trailer, the dump trailer, and then just all the attachments, all the implements that go on the back of the Kubota, pressure washer, the saws, everything is getting some attention. And just getting cleaned and greased and lubed, and the mowers. And anyway, so, but it's okay. It all needed to be done, and that's why our equipment lasts, because we maintain it. And then I'll show you in the books, in case I ever drop dead or something, I want to show you that all the records, each book has its own record of when the last time it was serviced, what we did. So anybody who, take over or something would know that the service that we did to it. Or if you ever want to go sell the equipment, you can show that we serviced it regularly. Anyway, I'll show you those, take some pictures of those. But in each book has that information. So, another nice day, kinda. It's overcast a little bit, but sure nice when that sun comes out. Haven't seen it in a while. And then, yeah, so once we do this, I'd like to get in here and we start cleaning this out. There's a couple trees over there that got to come out that fell, and just clean this up in here. take for granted all that beautiful weather we had for the last 5 years. Anyway, that's it. We do need to get some concrete. Just some bags. You know, we just mix them in the bucket of the Takahauchi. That's what we did before. And yeah, we'll get this squared away.